Hey guys, I'm here. This is my YouTube channel, The Garden Givers. So, guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my video. I hope you all will be fine. So, today my topic is garden decoration hacks. Garden decoration hacks can help you enhance the aesthetic of your outdoor space while making the most of your resources. Here are some creative garden decoration hacks. Repurpose old items. Upcycle old furniture such as wooden crates, chairs, or ladders into the unique plant, stand, or decorative elements in your garden. Dye garden markers. Create your own garden markers by painting or decorating stones, pebbles, or even old silverware with the name of your plants. Painted plant pots. Give plain terracotta pots or fresh look by painting them with vibrant colors or patterns that match your garden themes. Garden ornaments. Add whimsy to your garden with decorative garden ornaments like balls, winds, or hanging lanterns. Mason jar lanterns. Hang mason jar with tea lights in the trees along a fence to create a musical atmosphere in the evening. Birdhouses and feeders. Install birdhouses and feeders to attract birds and add a touch of nature to your garden. Solar powered lights. Use solar powered lights along walkways in flower bed or around the garden to create charming and eco-friendly lighting solution. Plant a vertical garden. Use a pallet, ladder, or old bookshelves to create a vertical garden with small potted plants or succulents. Hanging gardens. Hang planters from tree branches or paragols to add a greenery at various heights. Dye garden art. Create your own garden art using materials like recycled glass, pottery, and driftwood to create unique sculptures. Mirror illusion. Place a well positioned mirror to create an illusion of space and depth in the small garden.